What if there was a way to consolidate your vendor relationships, reduce your storage costs, and eliminate obsolescence waste from your manufacturing operation? Now there is. Taylor's digital print-on-demand technology allows you to source your technical literature as part of a lean inventory management system, much like how you already source your durable labels. Whether it's a user guide, warranty card, installation manual, or technical schematic, technical literature is a vital component of the manufacturing process. Instead of pre-printing technical literature in bulk, Taylor's just-in-time TechLit service lets you take delivery of technical literature as it's needed. No more managing relationships with separate TechLit vendors and label vendors. No more incurring costs to store pre-printed documents. And no more waste from destroying those documents when they become obsolete. Just-in-time TechLit from Taylor. Ask your Taylor representative for more details.